How to share Netflix account with friends. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can share Netflix account with friends, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now you cannot share your Netflix account with friends without your password. You have to give them your password. But if you're worried about your viewing history and everything is going to be matched, do not worry. You can share the password with your friends and you can create different profiles on Netflix so that you can watch from a separate profile. To give you a context of the idea, I want to simply open up the Netflix application here. My friend also has the Netflix password, and on Netflix how it works is that you can create up to 5 profiles. Each can actually be locked. So here you can see one of my profiles is actually locked. I need to enter the password to access that profile. So you can simply create a profile for your friend by tapping the add profile option over here, and then you simply need to go ahead and then name this profile. If you want this profile to be a kid's profile, that's fine. Otherwise you can just save it as well. Once you save it, whenever your friends want to watch Netflix, they can simply watch from their own profile without touching anybody else's profile, and this is the only way to do so. And this way you can share your Netflix account with friends. Hope this video was very helpful to you guys. If it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any more questions, queries or doubts, then feel free to also leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.